Alright, so let's clean the throttle body. Here we have the throttle body. I'm gonna turn this on. I wish there was a way to regulate pressure, because it just pours straight out. Let's see, here's the electrical. There is some stuff inside of it, but so what I did, guys, this had this alcohol stuff, and now I have a degreaser in here as well that's been diluted with water. So this is a seal. Put that to the side. One of the benefits of keeping things clean is that you could detect leaks right away. If you're getting some kind of overspray, then there is still a leak somewhere. Man, that thing's just spraying like way too fast. That it creates splashing, which is something I would like to avoid. I mean, I guess it's a good pump. I mean, can I complain? You know, I guess not. You know, it's really nice to have these parts washers. If you wonder where I got mine from Harbor Tool and Freight. I'm sure there's other places that sell it, but it's making my job a lot easier, because, you know, if I didn't have this, I would have to look for some kind of tub or something. Yeah, it also comes with like this. I guess you could like put your part inside and somewhat, you know, keep it isolated. But I think this is more like a bin where you could, you know, put parts in and just kind of like let it sit in there. You know, that way you could pull it out. You know, maybe that bolts or some other things. But if you're cleaning, this is an area where it's used for cleaning. And, you know, you could also like lift this up if you needed to and carry it somewhere, because it's not attached. You could just pick it up, boom, you know. So the other, you know, parts and stuff, like the tubes and, you know, the aluminum ones, they're inside of the hot tank with the degreaser. I could probably turn this into a hot tank if I wanted to. I have a magnetic heater that I'm sure I could just stick on here and use. So I'm gonna try to take a rag and wipe it down some. This is all the cleaning I'm gonna do to it. Just basically just keep things wiped down right now, and I would need to, you know, dry it, of course. It's pretty much all external, but we got like some kind of crap and stuff inside over here. I don't even know what that is. It seems like there's glue. This could be electrical glue, maybe. I'm gonna try to wipe it down and get in there with something smaller, like a pick or something. See what that is. Maybe a screwdriver. You know, I don't have to get this perfect, and besides, I'm just doing this for the customer, like free of charge. But what I want to do is at least, you know, have the parts that you end up touching, for them to not have any like grease on them and stuff. But as my boss used to say, you're not gonna eat off of it, so you don't have to clean it extremely good. I remember I used to work for this one guy, and he'll send me off cleaning some of the tools and stuff and buckets and whatnot, and I would be over there cleaning stuff so good. He's like, hey, you don't have to eat, we're not gonna eat off of them, you don't have to get it this clean. So I think at this point, you know, it's as good as it's gonna get. It's just so many little areas that you're gonna have to get into, and it's gonna be like really impossible, and it's really not meant to be clean. Plus there's electrical, and you can't really dunk this into a degreaser or a hot thing, because you're just gonna ruin the part to begin with. But I know one thing, this will now function a whole lot better. Okay, so it seems that the electronical of this work. Now some sprinters, they have this issue where this throttle body will not work, and this is why it does not want to go. And there's also a sensor there. That sensor could fail, and that sensor could be also reacting on the throttle body, telling it to not work properly because it's not getting a proper reading. So there's a temperature sensor there and a barometric sensor. And barometric sensor, that's the one that really controls things, because it has to know the elevation of something, and if it's elevated, if you're out in the mountains, then it needs to adjust fuel rail pressure and, you know, air and fuel for the you know, for the elevation. And if you're somewhere like down on normal terrain, then adjust, you know, that, you know, differently. So that's why throttle body could be impacted in a big way. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.